Okay, I'm going to show you how to make that jet that you see. It's made of 3 pieces and I need 3 squares. This is a normal piece of paper, 3/4 size A4. It's going to be too big if I made it out of 3 pieces of A4, which is why I'm going to make it probably out of at least I'm going to halve this, and it's going to be made out of squares that are going to be made from half of one side. So line it up, so I'm just folding a piece of paper in half. I'm not looking straight down at it. Best if you look straight down at it. I'm kind of looking at an angle because I'm having to film this at the same time. Crease it down. Need a pair of scissors next to cut along the fold. If you haven't got scissors or you're worried about using them, get an adult, someone responsible to do it for you, or you can use a ruler and kind of, well, what you do is you get a ruler and you kind of do that, but the edges will be a bit rough. Kind of slice along it with a ruler and try and get nice sharp edges. Of course, if you've got one of these paper cutters that you can buy from craft shops, they're also very good. Just put it in and slide it along. Now to make my first square, so the paper cutter gives you a really sharp straight edge. I'm folding this into a triangle. I'm going to be as neat as I can, refolding it because it wasn't quite right. Cut along here. That's one square. Again, so I'll be able to get about 4 squares out of a piece of paper. I think this last piece of square I'm cutting out, well, it's not, the last shape is not a square, it's a rectangle, so that one won't count, it's too small. Second one. Third one. And I learned how to make these when I was a kid, a very young lad, many years ago. If I don't pass it on, it will be lost forever, these ideas. So we've got 3 squares. As obviously if I fold it, it's a triangle. It's already got a crease along this side. So I fold the opposite corners into each other. And do that over all of them. Like so. Okay. Now, flat top side to flat side. Both flat sides, both flat sides. Right, so now we should have something like this. If you open it up, it looks a bit like the Union Jack. This flap here, the reason why there's a crease there, so that you can bend inwards and do that. So that's one side done. Do the same. So I'll show you that slowly again. Open it up. As you open it up, it kind of, this bit drops down, which is what you want. So that's one part of the aeroplane done. Same thing. The other one. This extra fold just helps it to crease properly while you're kind of bending it, so it doesn't bend in the wrong place. Okay, same thing. Next bit. So this actual jet aeroplane looks like a jet aeroplane, but doesn't really fly that well. In fact, it doesn't fly at all, just for looks. So you look. But if you make one, it looks so cool. Everyone will go, oh, make me one, make me one. Right, the last side, like so. And if you think my things I'm making are cool, please hit the like, subscribe, share button. Well, you may not want to share how to make this, but like and subscribe I would. Okay, making the front nose of the aeroplane, the jet aeroplane. So now, this edge here needs to meet with the centre there. So all these little creases help me to locate where the sections are. And all I'm doing is this edge here is meeting right in the middle, so it's nice and square on. So the front portion of the aeroplane is done. You might need a tiny bit of glue. If you want to glue it, it might be best if you do just a spot there maybe. Don't need too much, it's probably too much there, but you hold it. That's the same deal with the other side, just here. Or here as well. So it stays together. Here. Okay, it's kind of holding. First bit done. Middle part of the jet aeroplane. Like so. Glue it just back here. And there. It's going to want to spring apart, so you might want to glue any part that wants to spring apart down. Yep. Last bit, the tail of the plane. Glue these two together. Leave a bit unglued at the top. Fold down like so. I think I've put too much glue, or it's too high up. It's fine, it'll dry. That's holding together, that's fine. See that bit that's opening up the back? I'm going to glue that as well. So, right, time to fit it all together. Whilst I'm going to slide this in here like so, so I'm going to glue it now, here and here, over here and here as well. So this piece, I mean you can leave it unglued if you want, and you have it like a really cool aeroplane that splits into 3 parts, like a transformer or something. comes apart of the transformer, but it only looks really good when it's put together. Glue, glue, and glue and glue. So it just slides in any slot available. There we go. Cool looking jet aeroplane with like a four wings. In some jet aeroplanes, like the European fighter, they've got an extra wing at the front. It's got a main wing at the back. So you could, in theory, you can make this wing here. And this is all part of the tail. This is all part of the tail, and this is the main wing. This is fine. Or you can make this one bigger, so it kind of sticks out more. To make it have a bigger square, which is also fine. Alright, there you go. Looks good, eh? Nice and simple. Everyone will be jealous if you sort of wave that around. I'm sure they're making paper aeroplane day at wherever your school, wherever they'll be making theirs. You just disappear around the corner and hide what you do. Don't want them to see it. Come back to this, they'll be going, wow, doesn't fly very well, mind you. Alright, please hit that like, subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Here we go, we're zooming away.